The way to a man's heart is through his stomach. My sister, try cook better food for that man. He go give you that thing where you want. Oganada. My people, that's how I did my own. No, I did my own jejely for my backyard. This my neighbor picking come waka come meet me. Tell me say, auntie, my mama say make I give you this far. I say, sure, your mama they do this so. Your mama they give me this far. He say yes for Easter. Make a carry, make a shop. I say, I say go and look this far. And I say no. What a beautiful far. This far too fine for wetin person go chop. I want turn am to my pet. I carry the file, go brush in hair, file in nails, cut am because e don over long, cut test am, giving the file best time of e life. E come dey sleep. Who no like better thing? Even fowl dey sleep. As I dey cut in leg, I cut in mouth, I just carry am first. I still make I carry am go back. I ma follow am play small. The rest na end of Solomon Grande. I enter my kitchen, I go sweep kitchen. Sweep my kitchen finish, I light fire. As I don put my firewood and everything, I put pot for fire, put hot water. I change the pot because e dey leak. This one, the hot water don boil. Guess wetin we wan use the hot water do? We wan use am for the chicken. Oh, my poor pet. Try, I'm very sorry. Oh, sorry. I can't do that thing finish. Oh yeah, they comot the feathers and everything. Hey, wetin be this I dey see? As I finish, I go roast the chicken for fire because I know how our mothers dey do am that time for village. So now I can't do my ginger and garlic. By then I don already finish with everything finishable with that chicken, you know. Come here, come dey pound my ginger and garlic. I no dey like use mortar, dey like use grinding stone. I grind and make it dey me sharp sharp and easy. I don grind and finish for here. I don wash the chicken, put for pot, carry my pepper, ginger and garlic put my salt, my maggi, everything, cover am, e boil for some time. Now I dey comot the meat because I no wan make it overdone because we are just starting the process. Now I don comot the meat finish. This is my bitter leaf wey I dey wash. I dey wash the bitter leaf. Yes, na bitter leaf we dey use cook this vegetable today. I don wash the bitter leaf, put for pot, allow am boil. I come carry oil, put oil. Before I put the oil, I don already wash my ugu finish, keep am. Now na the ugu I dey go put for fire. I don put the ugu like this, dey put am. As I put the ugu, as I don wash the ugu put for filter, I put my green for water. So immediately I just wash the ugu finish, I put am for fire like this. I can't go straight go wash my other bitter vegetable because I no want anything go waste my time. But before then, as I put the ugu finish, I can't turn am. See say oil no dey, I still put another oil. As I put another oil, I go wash down my vegetable wey dey water, go put. I no show that part, sorry. So now I dey slice my carrots wey I go put for the soup. Yes, because you go don dey wonder where dey put this carrot. Na inside the vegetable. Yes. Now this one I put for fire, I don boil small. I carry the meat, pour inside. I no wan make the thing overdone. As I just put the ugu, I carry green put, cover am. As I just cover am, I go outside, slice my remaining carrot. I come inside, carry the meat, pour inside, turn am. Oil no dey, I put another oil. Yes, you keep putting oil till oil don dey you okay. I put oil, put pepper. As e be say pepper no dey for my mouth, I come turn am. Carry my carrot, pour inside. Guys, hey, it's Kelebe. I don show una new pattern. I put the carrot, I turn am. I no wan make e overdone. Chetekwa. Oh, sorry. Remember, na half done we dey cook. This soup e no take me more than 30 minutes. That is if e even reach 30 minutes. I just put the carrot on am. I carry the pot down sharp sharp. I no wan hear say I shoot bird the mama fly. I carry am down. Now I dey do my food wey I go use chop my soup. Can you imagine as I dey do this food? I just say make I pass go outside. As I just pass my son front van, the guy start to dey cry. Na so I carry the kpokoro for back. Next thing he burst laugh. Like, what is so funny? That time my mama go dey talk say men na chewing-gum, they dey always gum their mama. I think say na joke. But this my son, anytime wey I just pass where even if he dey play, next thing he go just burst cry. I come carry am for back. Na pikin wey no allow mama rest, you too you no go rest. Unfortunately, come be like say the guy dey enjoy the smoke wey dey enter our eye. Because e dey enter my eye, e dey enter him eye. Yes, two of us were in this together. I don carry am for back, dey turn my food, dey do am. E dey enjoy am. Two of us were in this. As e be say you no go dey outside in peace, make we dey kitchen. As I don carry am for back, dey do my thing. See this rag, you wan embarrass me. Shoo! Okay, see me for here as I dey turn the food. Fire too much. I say make I put am for ground, use my leg hold am first, turn am well, so that seed no go dey inside. As I dey turn, I dey plan to open restaurant. Abeg make una suggest name for where I go use open this my restaurant. And I know say una go come shop. Yes, una must patronize me. Tell me name where I go use open the restaurant. Oni local food. Oni resto. Anyways, I don't do the food finish. I don't serve my husband. See me for here, carry washing hand. I need Dan as usual. My husband washing hand. Say okrepo for there as they look. If they look, he's like, what is going on here? You go understand. Oh yeah, make una just do this. Oh, look this soup. Look this soup. Look, it's giving me what it should give me. Eh? You know done. As I chop the vegetable, you do me hukulu for what? It's crunchy. According to people who speak English. It's giving, Abby. Yes, it's giving. So now so my husband can cut the food. He can throw them up. I don't tell her, say anybody where they chop, where throw food up. That is a sign of people where they chop too much. Just know today. And so my husband called the chop up, bakret on the look am. He can't carry me to give bakret. I say, bakret, you know go shop. Bakret no get it, and I no get mad. You know understand everything they happen.